yeah, first truck Michigan Roots owned. This truck been through a lot of shit. The motor's blown now, so we're gonna take the dump bed out of it and put it in another truck, and then take the tires off and whatever else that's useful. We got a brand new alternator I put on there, and we got the Boss plow controller, so that's cool. That's for the V blade, and I can actually take the cradle off of it also for the plow. But yeah, just unbolt it and put in another one. Brian Richardson. Yeah, what up, though? Got all the kids in the back. Hi. Oh, don't look so happy.